Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. Are you tired of feeling stuck with your diet? Today I'm going to show you how to meal plan like a pro, saving you time, money, and helping you eat healthier with ease. Chapter 1. The Power of Bloody Meal Planning. Right, you donkeys. Meal planning isn't just about cooking in bulk. It's about taking control of your health and kicking those bad eating habits to the curb. When you plan your meals, you're less likely to order that greasy takeaway or reach for those crisps at midnight. Imagine this. Instead of inhaling a questionable kebab on your way home from work, you've got a delicious prepped grilled chicken salad waiting in your fridge. Chapter 2. Setting goals you can actually stick to. Listen, you can't just wander around the kitchen hoping for the best. You need a goal. This week, what is it you want to achieve? Is it torching that stubborn belly fat, packing on some lean muscle, or just feeling more energized throughout the day? If it's fat loss you're after, your plan might include high-protein meals with loads of colorful veggies, and keeping those carbs in check, especially in the evening. Choose 1 or 2 nutritional goals to focus on each week. This keeps things realistic and stops you from going completely bonkers. Chapter 3. Building your meal plan like a boss. Now let's get down to business and create a meal template that even a Michelin star chef would be proud of. Remember, we're not talking about rabbit food here. A good meal plan needs a balance of protein, healthy fats, fiber-rich carbs, and enough vegetables to make your plate look like a rainbow. For breakfast, how about some Greek yogurt with a handful of berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds? For lunch, grilled chicken with quinoa and some roasted veggies. And for dinner, how about salmon with sweet potatoes and a side of sautéed greens? Chapter 4. Your secret weapon. Alright, you've got your meal plan sorted. Now let's talk about shopping smart. A master grocery list is your secret weapon. Group everything by category: produce, protein, pantry staples, frozen goods, and you'll save yourself time and frustration. Stick to the outer edges of the supermarket. That's where the fresh, whole foods live. Avoid those aisles filled with processed garbage like the plague. Chapter 5. Prep like a chef, not a donkey. Now listen carefully. Meal prepping doesn't mean eating the same bland chicken and broccoli every single day. Cook your ingredients in bulk, and then get creative with assembling your meals. Roast a batch of sweet potatoes, grill some chicken breasts, cook up a big pot of brown rice, and chop a variety of veggies. One day, it's a vibrant burrito bowl. The next, a sizzling chicken stir-fry. Use different spices and sauces to transform those flavors without adding extra calories. Chapter 6. Storing your meals like a pro. Invest in some decent containers, BPA-free, microwave-safe, and stackable. Label each meal clearly with the day and what's inside. Keep your meals for the next 2 to 3 days in the fridge, and stash those backup meals in the freezer. This makes grabbing a healthy meal on the go easier than ever. Chapter 7. Rolling with the punches. Now, we all know life can throw some curveballs. You might have a last-minute meeting, your gym session might run late, or maybe you just can't face another salad. And you know what? That's perfectly alright. Don't panic. You can always swap meals around, raid your freezer stash, or have a few quick healthy backup options on hand. Remember, meal planning is about reducing stress, not adding to it. Make it work for you, not the other way around. You've got this. There you have it. Meal planning doesn't have to be a chore. With a bit of planning and effort, you can fuel your body with delicious, nutritious food that will make you feel like $1,000,000. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you conquer your health goals. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.